My name's Kourtney. I am the wound care coordinator here at SKY Rehab. A lot of the patients we see here have suffered a spinal cord injury, whether it's a traumatic injury or non-traumatic injury. We use a multi-team approach to help prevent and treat wounds on these patients. We do a team conference every week where we talk about the progress of these patients. We use a lot of preventative measures to help prevent any wounds from occurring. We help these patients with their positioning. We have cushions, air mattresses, boots, different types of devices that help with the position of these patients. We use the newest wound care guidelines in treating the wounds that these patients have. I work closely with the physician and dietitian to develop orders and treatments, making sure these people are on the right kinds of supplements and medications to help with their wound healing. Here at SKY Rehab, we strive for excellence, so if you or anybody you know would like any more information here at SKY Rehab, please give us a call for more information.